Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions of the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 4, a fitness tracker, some would call it a timepiece, which is one of the most popular ones on Earth at the moment. One of the reasons for that is that this is priced at $29. Yes, you heard that right. The Mi Band 4 is $29. And with the 4th generation, it has a colour screen, it can show you your notifications from your smartphone, and it does sleep and activity tracking. So what I'm going to do is use a pair of scissors to open the packaging. Thank you for your feedback, for those of you who reminded me that we don't usually do that. The packaging is quite simple, it's cardboard. I'm going to see why this doesn't open now. There we go. There's a lip on the inside to pull out the Mi Band pack, and it's very simple packaging. So there's a fitness tracker band in here. So this is the silicone strap with the band in place. You'll see that on the inside there is the heart rate monitor and the charging pogo pins. Unlike the previous generation of Xiaomi Mi Band, the Mi Band 3, you don't have to take this one out of its strap to charge it. And then in the top of the packaging you will have the charging cradle, which is a bit of a novelty, and a USB Type A ending to that. So to charge it, you would plug your USB Type A port into a charger and then pop your device. No, you would have to take it out of the strap. I stand corrected. So you'd have to take the device out and clip it into the charger. So it does take a bit of a push, but that's how you charge it. And then once it's charged, it's simple to take out and put back in the strap. So a very different charger for the Mi Band 4 compared to the previous model, the Mi Band 3. Let's have a look at what else is in the packaging. There is a user manual in multiple languages. But let's face it, reading user manuals is a bit of a cheat, so we're going to put that away and ignore it altogether. Now, I am going to set up my Mi Band 4 with my Xiaomi Mi 9T. Yes, that same Xiaomi Mi 9T, which we reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. So to synchronize the two, I believe we need to turn the device on first. And to do that, we'll need to plug it into charge. I have a handily placed USB port here, which we can use. And you'll see it's now charging. It actually believes it is 7:10 AM. So to set up this device, we will need to open our Xiaomi Mi Fit app. In this case, installed on my Xiaomi Mi 9T. And we'll turn on Bluetooth. And it's going to now ask us what we want to synchronize with. And it's now asking for confirmation on the Mi Band itself. So that is now paired. There will be a update process, no doubt. And we'll need to disregard the Mi Band 3 I previously had.
Okay then, I'll finish the setup of the device now and start using it. Expect a full review on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel soon. If you'd like to be notified of when this review goes live, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification icon. Do also leave us a like or leave us a comment with any feedback you may have. Thanks for watching everyone. Goodbye.